Hello, this is Keith All, and in today's tutorial we're going to learn how to change buttons on your site to have a gradient color to it instead of like a solid color. So on this particular test site that I'm working on, I already have a button. But if you don't know how to add a button, all you have to do is come over here to the right to this tab, and you click on Add, and then you click on Elements over here, and you could add a button by clicking the button option over here. But anyways, let's edit this curtain button that I have. So if you click on it, you should have settings come up here on the right hand side, or if you click on this little pencil icon, click Edit, the same thing will come up over here on the right hand side. So basically, once you do that, you click on Background, and you have this option over here that has background color. Right now it's set to black, a solid color, as you can see by the solid color radio button selected. Now if we want a gradient color, we click on Gradient, click on this solid color bar right here, and select any color that you want. Now as you can see over on the left hand side, the color changes color. Now it's not completely solid red, as you can see. Now a definition of a gradient is basically we're going to have multiple colors on our background. So we're going to first select our first color here, and then the top, there's two different tops right above here, two different options. The top is your color that you can multiple select your gradients by using a slider, or you could adjust it by selecting over here itself. As you can see on the left, it's changing the colors. So I'm just going to select the red color. The bottom portion now depends, shows you how transparent that color will be. So if it's the bar is already to the right, it's going to be fully opaque, meaning that it's going to be like a solid color. If I move it over the slider all the way over to the left, it'll be transparent, so you'll be able to see through that button, as you can see here. But let's first select a second color so we could play around with that. So here's our second color, and the right side will change now. Let's use the slider for this. Okay, just a second. So like I said, by selecting your colors, you can use the slider or select your color up here, and as you can see, the right half of this button changed colors. Now again, if I go back up to the top one, you could see the left hand side is now transparent, so you can see through the button. If I move it all the way to the right, it'll keep the solid color red, as you can see. Again, with the other side, you could do the same thing. You select it, and you can make it fully opaque or transparent. As you can see, it'll show through to the bottom layer, which in that case is a panel below this. So that's how you could change your buttons from a solid color to a gradient color of your choice. Play around with it, have fun with it, and create many different effects with the gradient option that you have available to you in the Builderall platform using the Cheetah Builder. Thanks again for stopping by. I appreciate your support. Stop by often because I upload multiple videos per week on various different topics. please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notifications so whenever I have a new video ready, you'll be notified when it's ready. And also, please like, share, and comment. Again, I appreciate you. You have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.